Welcome to Dwbiadda channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello guys, we have returned with a new video tutorial on Weka. We started our journey with classification algorithms with logistic regression and SVM. Today we are going to focus on multi-layer perceptron. Let's begin the session. Multi-layer perceptron is the first type of algorithm used in deep learning. It is also known as artificial neural network (ANN), and they are the most useful type of neural network. They are connected to multiple layers in a directed graph. A perceptron is a single neuron model that is a precursor to large neural nets. It is basically a technique used the concept of biological brain. The goal is not to create realistic models of the brain, but instead of develop robust algorithms and data structures that we can use to model different difficult problems. MLP utilizes supervised learning techniques called backpropagation. MLP is used on tabular dataset and solve regression or classification problems. We use MLP in speech and image processing, computer vision, time series prediction, and machine translation. Now we are moving to the next section. In this section, we are going to explain the basic structure of neural network. Every neural network has three basic layers. First one is input layer, then hidden layers, and finally output layer. The input dimension depends on the attributes of the dataset. In this specific Irish dataset, we have 4 attributes, so the input dimension will be 4. The next one is the first hidden layer, then second hidden layer, and finally third hidden layer. First hidden layer contains 3 neurons, second one 5 neurons, and third one contains 4 neurons. And finally, these yellow circle nodes are the output nodes. The target attribute of Irish dataset contains 3 different classes: setosa, versicolor, and virginica. So the output dimension is 3. In MLP algorithm, we have some tuning parameters. The first tuning parameters is the number of hidden layers and the associated neurons. The second one is the learning rate, and third one is the momentum. We can tune our algorithm using all these tuning parameters. Now we will move to Weka environment and implement an MLP model for Irish dataset. From the Weka GUI environment, we will choose Explorer. The first step of any data analysis is to choose a specific dataset. So we will go to Open File, then from Weka Data, we will choose the complete Irish dataset. This dataset contains 150 instances of 5 attributes. And our target class is the class. It contains 3 different levels: Irish setosa, versicolor, and virginica, and each of them contains 50 number of outcomes. Now we will move to classify section. We are going to apply MLP algorithm, which is available in the functions, then multi-layer perceptron. Now we will set the tuning parameters. We want to use a GUI enable service, so it will be true. In our first experiment, we want to set 2 hidden layers with 2 and 5 neurons, and we are keeping learning rate and momentum as default. Let's press OK. Now from the test option, we will choose percentage split, and we will follow 80-20 method, 80 for training and 20 for test set. Now from more option, we will choose plain text, then OK. It will display the predicted outcome in the classifier output. Our target attribute is class. Now start. Every neural network has 2 steps. First, generate a model and train it using training dataset, and then test the model using the test dataset. So in this specific neural network, we have 4 inputs, 2 hidden layers, first one with 2 neurons and the second one with 5 neurons, and we have 3 outputs. Now start, then accept. So we have already generated the model. Now we are going to test our model using the test data set. Start, then accept. Now let's move to the prediction section. For the first instance, the actual was Virginica and predicted output is also Irish Virginica. The second one is versicolor for the actual, and the for predicted it is also versicolor. So our model actually predicted the outcomes in fact in a very good accuracy. Now let's analyze the summary section. The performance of this MLP model is 96.67%, which is quite high. It only failed to classify one instance. We can get the detail of this from the confusion matrix. The true A was 11, the true B was 11, and true C was 8. Only it failed to predict one instance. Now we will apply the same MLP model with a different combination of hidden layers and the neurons. This time we will use first hidden layer with 5 neurons, second hidden layer with 10 neurons, and third hidden layer with 5 neurons. And we are keeping the learning rate and momentum as it is. Okay, now we will run this model. This time we have 3 hidden layers with the 5, 10 and 5 neurons. Let's build the model first. Now we will test the model using the test data set. This time the accuracy reduced a bit, almost 5%. So it is not always true that increasing the hidden layer will increase the accuracy. It failed to classify 2 instances now. So in this session we have applied MLP algorithm on Irish dataset to classify 3 different levels, and our MLP with 2 hidden layers with 2 and 5 neurons performed better than a MLP algorithm with 3 hidden layers with 5, 10 and 5 neurons.